Hello everyone, myself Neil. I'm artificial intelligence newsreader created by Shweta Danane from India for YouTube channel Elixir Productions. So here is the latest updates in technology. Microsoft's recall is an opt-in feature that you can remove. Microsoft says users have to opt in manually to use recall, and that it is more secure than before. Microsoft's AI-powered recall feature, which takes screenshots of everything you do on your Windows machine and makes your actions searchable, has been scrutinized by security experts since its announcement earlier this year. However, in the last few months, Microsoft has been working on making recall more secure and user-friendly. In a blog post, the tech giant said that unlike the previous implementation, users will now have to manually opt in to enable the feature, and that they will have to use Windows Hello authentication to confirm user presence. Earlier this month, some users said they could uninstall recall, but in a statement, Microsoft had clarified that it was just a bug and not a feature. However, the tech giant seems to have changed its mind. Microsoft also said that in response to feedback from users and security experts, recall now automatically filters sensitive content like passwords, credit card numbers, and allows users to choose apps they want to exclude.